How's it going, everybody? My name is B, and welcome back to Your Altcoins. Today, we're going to take a look at a coin that I wasn't overly interested in before until I started to do some digging and started to do some real research, and that is Cardano. So at first, I was like, okay, it's already at a $31 billion market cap. How much more could this thing conceivably go up in comparison to the rest of the market cap? Wouldn't it be better to invest in something with a much smaller market cap with much more room to grow vertically? Usually, that is my philosophy. Usually, that is the case. However, Cardano is a bit more interesting than that. Let's take a look at the overall market. Right now, we are at $760 billion overall market cap. It just keeps going up. It is so bullish right now, and I think it is going to continue to be quite bullish until it reaches the $1 trillion mark. As you can see, it's kind of started to level off here, right here at that 770, 760 range. I expect it to go right back up again and start going into the $1 trillion range. Let's go back to the chart. As you can see, Bitcoin has been steady. Ripple has gone up, but it's kind of leveled off. Actually, a lot of these coins have started to level off a little bit over the past couple of days, and that's kind of a good sign. That is a totally normal, healthy sign. Things go up, things peak, they retract a little bit of retractment is very healthy, and then boom, they can shoot back up again. Let's start pulling up Cardano's information, known as ADA, on the platform, available in multiple markets, including Bittrex and Binance, which are your big ones, some of your biggest ones. As you can see by the chart, it has been available since October of last year, so it's not too old. In the past 7 days, it has absolutely gone up. Actually, look at the last month. There we go. So a month ago, it was trading at 11 cents. It is now at $1.24, currently trading at $1.20, with a total market cap, again, of $31 billion. Why I constantly suggest to people to get in at these low market caps. It's had a market cap of $2 billion. And again, I use the word low in quotations. It was at $2.10, and it jumped up to $20 billion, $30 billion, and $1.20. So here we are. This is the overall look of Cardano. It has a max supply of 45 billion. So I like the fact that it actually says it has a max supply. I do not like investing in coins that seem to have a never-ending supply that can continue to be printed, kind of like regular money. Printing regular money causes inflation, so I don't like having anything without a max supply listed. That makes me very happy. It makes me feel safe. Let's go to the website. What is Cardano? Cardano is the home to the ADA cryptocurrency, which can be used to send and receive digital funds. So the ADA cryptocurrency is just regular old cryptocurrency exchanging money. However, Cardano is more than just cryptocurrency. It is a technological platform that will be capable of running financial applications currently used every day by individuals. This is basically kind of like Ethereum, in that it can be used as a platform to create other technologies, other coins, other applications, etc. Cardano will also run decentralized applications, or dApps, services not controlled by any single party, but instead operate on a blockchain. So Cardano, when it is released as a functionality, as a platform, will allow for other decentralized applications that make use of the blockchain, aka other coins and tokens. So this website is available for everyone to look at, and there's more to the website than meets the eye. Let's take a look at the Cardano roadmap. It has all this information here. You can read the information in English and Japanese and other languages. But what I found fascinating about their roadmap is it actually shows you the progress for each part. It shows you who's working on it. This is the Cardano SL mainnet, launched on the 29th of September 2017. 100% progress. As you go down, this one, Open Ouroboros delegation, being worked on by this gentleman and these teams, and it's at 75% progress. Multi-signature transactions being worked on by this gentleman at 35% progress. I found it really cool that they show you how far along they are to completing different functionality with Cardano. Wallet backend, consensus incentive and fees, quantum resistant signatures, light client support, etc., etc. Their roadmap is very detailed. And I love the quality of this website and the quality of this roadmap. If you're interested in the Cardano white paper, it is available on the website. Take a look through it, glance through it, get a feel for it, get a basic understanding of what's going on. It'll teach you a lot of information for what Cardano is all about. So should you invest in this cryptocurrency? That depends on your all-time goals. It depends on your end game goals. If you're looking for something that wants to go 10x, we're talking going from a $1 coin to a $10 coin. If you're expecting Cardano to go to a $10 or a $12 coin, that's going to be very, very difficult to do. In order to do that, Cardano would have to go from a $31 million market cap to a $310 billion market cap. So that's asking a lot of a coin such as Cardano to 10x to become more than Bitcoin. Now, if the entire market continues to go up, then Bitcoin will go up and Cardano can go up as well, potentially, so long as the technology is delivered upon, so long as the developers deliver on the technology, deliver on the roadmap like they're advertising, interest in this coin will continue to be there, especially when the technological piece of the Cardano puzzle is released and allowing people to build applications and tokens and cryptocurrency on the Cardano network, the Cardano infrastructure, you might see an even bigger jump. However, if you're looking for something to happen in the short term, to happen within the next 30 days, the next 60 days, I would imagine that investing a lot of money into Cardano will not give you the short-term gains you're potentially looking for. I would advise that if that is your goal, if you want to see something 10x, you want to move backwards in the market cap. You want to go further down the market cap into maybe the 1 billion range. I would suggest the 100 million range, because it's a whole lot easier for a program or a piece of technology to go from 100 million to a billion than it is for something to go from a billion to 10 billion. Disregard the fact that something like Tron went from 2 billion, where are we at now, Tron, to 14 billion in like 2 days. It's amazing how that works. So Cardano, very good long-term investment, very good long-term hold. As of right now, looking at the last 7 days, it's at an all-time high. Cardano is at an absolute all-time high. The all-time high on Cardano was about $1.26 US or 8,654 Satoshi. I keep saying Satoshi. It is Satoshi. And right now it's trading at very close to that. So is this a good idea to get in Cardano now when it's at an all-time high? Maybe, maybe not. Depends on how bullish you are on the project. For a long-term hold, great investment. For something quick, maybe not the best use of your fiat, maybe not the best use of your currency.